Hey Mosh Pit All-Stars, another week with Uncle Dan's Summer Games. Hey Dalton, what the hell are you doing in my living room?
What do you mean? I'm playing Xbox.
What? Why?
Yeah, well,
you have your own place.
You guys only would buy me a 32-inch TV, yet you'll buy yourselves a 70-inch TV, so where do you think I'm going to play?
Go back to your basement.
I'm playing... I am, Mom, you're making me die. I'm playing Xbox because I already got everything ready for Uncle Dan's video.
Oh, what
If
you got?
Truly wanted to know.
What's going on?
Well, we got like dips of everything right here.
Oh.
Quick and easy to do.
Hey Ridley.
Maybe took 10 minutes to get them all together. I've got food for the rest of the night. I don't have to leave the couch. Ignore the bucket on the side of the couch. Don't ask about that. But yeah, I'm gonna game all night and I'm gonna use some Uncle Dan's.
What's your favorite dip so far?
The Mediterranean garlic surprisingly goes very well with Triscuits. I really like it. Anyways, yeah, so this is what we're doing. I've already lost. We're gonna be washing GA's truck. So I figured I might as well do this week's video doing something I know I can beat Buns at, which is video games.
You need to clarify the we though.
We?
We washing GA's truck?
Well, I feel like you're in this as much as I am, so it's only fair.
Only if GA wears a tube top.
Yep, I'll pause it. Get all this good stuff. Sit down this weekend, game, get some dips going, and relax. Enjoy the AC inside. Hopefully we can get a W with this one this week. I know I'm winning in Doom right now, so we're good to go.